Listing a rental property on Zillow involves creating a Zillow rental manager account and posting your property details. Here's a guide. Create a Zillow rental manager account. Visit Zillow's website and sign up for a Zillow rental manager account using your email or login credentials. Add property details. Log into your Zillow rental manager account and select Add a property. Enter your rental property's address, description, rental price, and other relevant details. Upload photos and videos. Enhance your listing by uploading high-quality photos and, if possible, videos showcasing the property's features and amenities. Set lease terms and availability. Specify lease terms such as lease duration and availability date. Include any additional details about utilities, pet policies, or other restrictions. Review and publish. Review the information provided, ensuring accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, publish your rental listing on Zillow. Manage inquiries and updates. Monitor inquiries and responses from potential tenants through your Zillow Rental Manager dashboard. Update the listing as needed, considering tenant feedback or changes in availability. Consider Zillow Rental Manager tools. Zillow offers tools to manage applications, screen tenants, and collect rent payments through their platform. Explore these additional features if needed.